everyone. So let's continue the software quality assurance concepts. So I want to dig deep into certain other terminologies so that we can proceed further. So as you already know about the product, as I already told that the product is sort of invisible because we are talking about here service-based companies or industries and manufacturing or construction-based companies as well, wherein the products are actually visible and created and produced and then delivered. But in service based industries, you are creating a product, it's a software, it's not visible, but anyways, it is getting delivered to the larger audience. So, in this terms, on the term of complexity, the complex, the product in service based is more complex. In manufacturing also it's complex, but it is at least visible to find the defects. So what do you mean by defects? The issues or the bugs or the issues you are getting during the production phase or after production in manufacturing or in service based companies. You are creating something, you're finding the defects. Sometimes it is getting visible at the very start of the production process, but for service based, it can be visible at the end of its development. So that's the difference of detection of bugs or defects, early detection, right? So visibility is also complex, right? So you can see that in manufacturing, you can see a car you have produced, but there is no door attached to it. So it's a defect, right, to that particular product. But in a software, you are trying to understand that what is the defect. Maybe you're not understanding at the very start of the production process, but at the end while delivering to the larger audience, because one product can be provided to certain set of we can say audience at the very start, but a software which is getting piloted, right, so it can be to the larger audience. If some defect is coming later, then it will be a disaster definitely, right? So if I'm taking the example of a car, it's defected, the piece is defected, you will go back and repair it again and then produce it, then repair it, then deliver. But for example, you have a software with you are creating and developing it. At the very start, it was working fine, but at the time when users at the larger part or the larger audience is getting it used, then it will be considered as a total disaster because it is not working. So it stopped working. So this is how we can differentiate between these two. So now I'm coming on. So this is a production part we discussed. I hope it's clear. I'll be talking about some another topics in my upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.